Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you're all doing okay and make some great trades during this volatile time. In this video, I want to show you how to use price patterns in your trading. Let's get started. Most of the traders use technical analysis to predict price movements. It doesn't involve understanding of the fundamentals of the company. So what is technical analysis? Basically, it is looking at the charts and trying to analyze statistical trends created by trading activity such as price movement and volume. Investopedia defines a price pattern as a recognizable configuration of price movement that is identified using a series of trend lines or curves. By the way, Investopedia is a great learning resource for all beginners. I'll leave a link down below in the description. So how do you recognize a price pattern? The good news is that someone already did this. There are many books about trading that teach us a great deal about all kinds of price patterns. It's getting even better. There are multiple cheat sheets across the internet that summarize for us the most popular bullish and bearish patterns. This is an example of one of the patterns called inverse head and shoulders pattern. If you draw a line, the green one, over the price trend, you can see it forms some kind of head and left and right shoulder. And the pattern says that if the price breaks out of the neckline, which represents the resistance of the price, it will most probably continue to go higher and change the trend from downtrend to uptrend. I guess at this point you're thinking, sweet, all I have to do is learn all these patterns, or at least some popular ones, and trade according to the patterns and I will be okay. So it happens, I have a perfect pattern example for you today. Let's take a look at BKKT. What it reminds you of. We can see there is a strong uptrend at the beginning, then we see some price consolidation capped with a flat upper trend line, and finally there are higher lows forming an almost perfect triangle. This pattern is called ascending triangle. And if the price breaks the upper trend line, it should continue higher. I entered a small position, only 500 shares, just above the upper trend line when I saw that the price moved higher with the breakout potential. Okay, so let's see how it plays out. It looks like it wants to move even higher, but there is a very low volume. So what I want to do is to place a stop loss order just to cap my losses if it goes another way. I have an order in place. It means that if the price goes below 13.28, it will trigger a stop loss order and will sell all my position at the market price. I will pause and skip a bit to the action part. It looks like the price wants to go even higher, so I'm at the buy button. If it goes up, I will add some more shares to my position. Let's take a look. It doesn't want to go up, just go sideways and even retreats. Okay. Meanwhile, let's look what else is out there. MU is forming a similar pattern. I'm getting ready to enter the position and I got 500 shares. Okay, let's give it a moment and see how it plays out. The price clearly broke out the resistance level and we're looking for next move. Currently my unrealized profit is $150, but this is not enough for me to start taking profits, so I will wait a bit more. I wanted to reach around $400, so I will start selling the stocks. We're almost getting there, so I'm getting ready to sell. You see I'm at the sell button. As soon as it reaches $350, $400, I will try to sell 500 shares, half of my position. Maybe even let's create a sell order, sell limit order. So I will sell at the set price and not the market price. The price is playing chicken with me, but I'm strong and I want to give it a chance to give me some profits, so let's wait. While we were playing with the MU, I see that my sell stop order was executed on the BKKT, meaning that the price didn't go up as I expected and just dropped down, and I have some losses. It triggered at the price 13.35, but the actual price that I got for my shares was the 13.25. So I lost about $200. Luckily, MU is getting higher, so I am starting to take my profits, and I probably will finish this day green. Okay, so I got out 200 shares. Let's give it a little bit of time to move up. Another 200 shares just got filled. Okay, so my realized profit at the moment is $289. I have left 400 shares. Nice, it's going even higher. I want to take some more partial profits. By the way, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I will try and answer each and every one of them. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button to tell the YouTube algorithm that this is a good video. Took out another 200 shares, so my current position is 200. This is a runner. I want to let it ride a bit more just to see how high can it go. This could be a great opportunity to set a trail stop order, which is another type of stop order, meaning I'm setting an offset of let's see 20 cents, so it will chase the price and keep the distance of 20 cents just to let it ride a bit higher, and once the price is ready to go down, it will just execute the stop order. You can see it updates itself according to the current price. At this point, I can just leave this trade to play by itself, and it will automatically execute the profit taking once the price is ready to revert. Of course, I can stay longer in the market, but I don't want to overstay my welcome. The essence of momentum trading is to ride the momentum, and that's it. Price can go up and down and fluctuate and go sideways, but all we want to do is actually to catch the momentum, to catch the rapid movement, and make some profits on the way. It looks like the price has stopped and it reversed, so probably we'll execute the here we go. So I got out of the position. You can see that the trail stop order was executed, and my total profit is $621 on this trade. Let's take a look at BKKT. Okay, so you can see it didn't go up, it just failed, and I got it just cost me $230. So overall, I'm about $400 up today for these two totally different trades, same trading pattern, but different result. Just to remind you, according to the price pattern, we were expecting the price to go up once it breaks out the resistance, the upper trend line, and it did in the MU stock, but BKKT, it just failed and went down. So it's a good practice to place the stop order just in case your trade goes wrong way. In trading, we're dealing with the probabilities. So even a pattern says that it is more likely to move to one direction or another, it can always go wrong, and your trade can fail you, and you can lose a lot of money. I think it is not necessary to memorize all possible patterns, but instead I would suggest to understand the price action and get some serious screen time to get trading experience. You need to understand the principles and see it in action. Candlestick chart along with volume indicator are more than enough for me to try and predict the next price movement. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave down below in the comment section. If you find this video useful, please give it a like and appreciate my efforts. If you want to get more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.